Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you some concepts comparison between this Ollama versus the VLLM. So which one is better? First, we are going to discuss about what they are. Ollama, a user-friendly platform for running different larger language model like Llama, Mistral, etc. locally on your machine, focused on simplicity, ease of use, and quick deployment. Now let's talk about the VLLM. So a high performance interference engine designed for serving LLMs efficiently in production, optimized for the throughput, scalability, and low latency using features like paged attention. Now here is the comparison that for the setup and UX, Ollama has the easy setup, CLI first, local use, and VLLM has complex. The use is complex. Actually, the setup is complex, but it has needs API or server setup. Now let's talk about the performance. That Ollama is good for local, light, medium uses, and VLLM is excellent for high load for the server use. Now hardware, if we talk about the hardware, then Ollama works on consumer grade GPUs and CPUs, and on the other side VLLM based on multi GPU enterprise setups. Now target users are for Ollama is developers, hobbyists, and local dev, and VLLM is for ideal for the enterprise, ML engineers, and production. So here's a model serving run models locally in Ollama, and VLLM is designed to serve multiple users and queries. And the customization is for in Ollama is simple custom models and uses. VLLM has full control, scalable infrastructure. Now which one is better in 2025? Choose Ollama if you want quick local access to LLMs with zero hassle, and choose VLLM if you need first scalable production grade LLM inference across multiple users or apps. So that's pretty much all thing. And if I give you a final verdict, then best for the Ollama is best for local devs and simplicity, and VLLM is best for production and speed at scale. So hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up and let us know which one you are going to prefer. And that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Till next time.